In what ways might AI-generated content affect the future of storytelling on social media? And how can marketers use AI tools to create more engaging and immersive content? I think they're doing it already. I'm just imagining like how this is going to make like the marketing budgets for like actual productions might disappear, and it might just go to AI-generated like shoots. Because with some of the stuff I saw, it's only a matter of time that until AI really gets good in generating like human faces and removes the whole uncanny valley of it. In general, I think it's going to have the perfect way to still tell a story for a specific individual or individuals or a specific demographic or psychographic. It's going to have the right type of shot. It's going to go based on the algorithm of interaction. It's going to take that into account, and it's going to create content where you can have the ideal product for this person, the ideal person holding this product. And for maybe even small businesses, they'll be able to maybe create more high-end looking commercials without the use of a crew. Or they'll be able to create talking head videos like this without actually having to do it themselves. I think one of the biggest challenges people have right now, especially with everyone, like a lot of these platforms prioritizing video, is a lot of people are also like are afraid of this. They're afraid of recording. So a lot of people are just more comfortable creating designs or just doing blogging. But what if it was the reverse, where you're able to like get like a turnaround photo of your face, of your features, so it's like picture perfect of exactly how it is, and it's possible to do that already, but then you use programs like Descript to train it to know your voice, and then you just write in whatever you want to say on your head. Like you never have to step in front of the camera. The AI is just talking for you. But yeah, like they can do like a Q&A segment for a yoga studio. How can marketers use AI tools to create more engaging and immersive content? That's one. I think I'm definitely projecting the future, but I would say even using the tools right now, like I just mentioned it, you can make a AI version of you. You can make an automated version of the voice. Heck, you can even like using things like Descript and even ChatGPT to help create a more tailored social media account. Right? We do that. I currently do that with Temper Tantrum. We have like a massive prompt, and then it takes all that information and it creates a custom tailored social media calendar for us to use as kind of a baseline or foundation, and then we go from there. So that way you're leveraging all this information that's around the company to create something new that's unique to them. And to add it to another layer of it, you can add even data of like the more recent posts, like within the last 90 days, but you can write like this photo got this much engagement, this video, got this much engagement, or you can just make it more broad. Like this type of content works better. Dance videos work better. Testimonials work better in terms of, and add the data, and then we kind of tailor it towards that. So again, possibilities are endless to kind of get the heavy lifting off our hands so we can focus on the main thing that we want to do. Yeah. So again, possibilities are endless. Play with it. I encourage it because it is not going anywhere.